And this week on Dreamweaver,
Here's some new dinghy. We'll put this together. Hopefully it's got straps hold the dinghy on both ends. So hopefully we'll be able to take our old straps off.
Hi, I'm Tony.
And I'm Kathy.
And welcome to our adventures on Dreamweaver.
Hopefully we'll be able to take our old straps off.
We actually just have line tied on it now.
So hopefully this is going to work better. So we'll see how it goes.
Should be, we'll find out. Alright, so I got the straps fixed. So you have the center, and then your straps, you bend them over in the center to get the snap hooked through, and then run it through the back of this, and that keeps it from pulling back out. It's adjustable. Keeps it from pulling back out when you run it through the back side of it. Then these are adjustable clamps or clips. So anyway, I'll see if this thing will work. Okay, the dinghy straps worked really well. Hooks in the center, that made it center up a lot better than what we had before, because before it was kind of off center. And also it hooks down lower, so we'll be able to pull the dinghy up much higher. So this has worked out really, really great. I think we're going to like it. It's going to be a whole lot easier to get the dinghy up and down and get it up a whole lot farther than we did before. So I think it was a great addition to the dinghy to be able to lift it up further. Well, putting in another switch in the automatic bilge for the shower. I tried this one. The electronic one comes up. Yeah, cuts on, but it never cuts off. So we're gonna go with this one. Get it wired in, and hopefully it'll work. I really like it when the shower comes on and off, and you don't have to jump out and cut it off. Well, let's see if the shower will work. Let's see if the pump will work. Hopefully. Put some water in and see if the plug cuts that on and off. Ready to come on. There it is. And as usual in boat life, nothing ever really works the first time you do it. So this was another case of the same thing. Got another problem, so let's figure out what's going on here. Yes. Okay. It worked. Next episode on Dreamweaver SV. It's time to add a tricolor light to the dinghy so that we'll have navigation lights for night operation.